M-600 installation and usage method. Installation and use of repair valve core. First, assemble the segmented valve core grinding base. Install the adjustable bracket and main transmission component, and the swing angle slider on the main transmission component should be connected to the adjustable bracket, adjustable grinding disc, grinding, claw and motor, all fastened with screws. Fix the valve core onto the valve core grinding base. Install grinding claws. Adjust the adjustable bracket and main transmission components to make the adjustable grinding disc concentric with the valve core. Fully cover the sealing surface of the valve core with the grinding surface. Paste sandpaper onto the grinding surface of the grinding claw, and tighten the adjustable grinding disc component. turn on the power and start grinding and repairing. Installation and use of repair valve seat. Install the valve port clamping base onto the upper port flange of the valve, making the base and face almost parallel to the valve sealing surface, and tighten the base. Install the adjustable bracket so that the working surface of the adjustable bracket is centered and parallel to the two valve seat sealing surfaces, and tighten the screws. Install the main transmission component onto the adjustable bracket and link the swing angle slider to the adjustable bracket. Adjust the adjustable bracket and the main transmission components to make the adjustable grinding disc concentric with the valve sealing surface. Install the motor, turn on the power, and start grinding and repairing. After grinding is completed, turn off the power first, disassemble the motor, and then remove other components.